The Environmental Policy Program is our oldest research program at the Udall Center for Studies in Public Policy. Together, we conduct research to help shape policies that will safeguard our water, land, and environment for generations to come.
My name is Adriana Zuniga-Teran. My field of study is human environment geography. Most of that entails nature-based solutions, adopting green infrastructure to bring back nature into the city. The environmental policy program at the Udall Center is interested in real application of theory into practice, into applied research having an impact. And it aligns really well to the value that I see in my work.
My name's Gemma Smith. I am an assistant professor at the School of Government Public Policy. My work is in transboundary water and collaboration with a focus on the US-Mexico border. So one strain of my work, which I've begun working on since I joined the Udall Center, is on PFAS, which are known as forever chemicals. And we've recently been finding how they're linked to many different health problems. So this is something where federal regulation has been very slow to come into place. And so a group of us at the Udall Center are working together to try and pick apart that policy and governance problem and think about how local communities in particular are addressing it.
My name is Lad Keith. I'm an associate professor of planning and a faculty research associate at the Udall Center. So I work on heat planning, policy, and governance. Heat is the number one weather-related killer in the United States. And it's not until the last couple of years that local governments, states, and even the federal government were seriously planning for heat and addressing it as it increases. And so that's what I'm really interested in, is looking at how we can better plan for heat across all those levels of government and how we can protect all of our communities. One really exciting thing is we're now launching the Center for Heat Resilient Communities to translate a lot of that really great research into actionable strategies that communities across the United States can use to advance their heat resilience.
In my research in the Environmental Policy Program at the Udall Center for Studies in Public Policy, I'm intrigued by questions of policy and governance around water. Who gets to sit at the table and participate in decision-making? And what are the impacts of those decisions? Ultimately, it's about trying to figure out what works and doesn't work in water governance and helping to move water governance forward so it could be more just and sustainable.